Hi there everyone, welcome back again to this channel. Today I will be talking about something which I would say is really useful if you have a car, which is dashcam. Today we will talk about one such dashcam and I'm gonna talk about what are the benefits of having dashcam. And we're also going to do a quick unboxing of it, and I'm gonna also install it in my car, so stay tuned in the whole process so that if you are also planning to buy a dash cam and then thinking of can I able to install it by myself, I would say stay tuned, and then I'm definitely going to help you out. If you have any question, in comment down below, feel free to ask me any question, uh, even why I bought this particular one, or you can even ask me which one should you buy. Okay, so actually I was searching for so many and I finally decided to buy this one. This is not the best, I would say, in terms of quality, but the kind of value proposition it come up with, I think it is great. So the dash cam that I bought is from 70mai, and this one is known as 810, I believe. Yeah, let me tear this down. And I bought it from Amazon, so if you want to buy the same model, do check out the link that I have added in the description down below. Okay, so while I am unboxing this, let's talk about some of reason that why I bought it. So I would say the biggest one is the way now the traffic become and the way our roads are. Roads are terrible, I mean, I live in a city named as Gurgaon, and most of you, if you are living in India, already know about Gurgaon or may have heard of. It is one of expensive city, but when we talk about the public infrastructure, it is terrible. You see the road, and then I would say it is so unfortunate. Still, we are, I would say, not very civilized, or the society that follow traffic rule a lot. So in that scenario, there is a huge chance of meeting with some unfortunate situation, I would say. So in that situation also, dashcam can be really helpful. It can act as an evidence that you can showcase or show to police. It is also helpful, I would say, let's say if somebody would like to make an insurance claim, that will help you to provide strong evidence, I would say. And as I said, we are not the most civilized while driving, although I would say we are very polite and very welcoming. But when it comes to driving, our style is not the best. So I am also including me in this because I am also part of this society. So in that situation, I would say dashcam really make a difference. And then you not only can utilize this for recording evidence, but you can also enable parking mode. For that, I guess we require a separate hardwire kit that will enable the continuous recording in your dashcam even your car is turned off. I'm not going to do that particular one actually because there's a risk of battery drainage, although the wattage I would say will be too less. Then if somebody go for the higher end, I would say this is not the best, as I said, but this is good enough, I would say, as this is powered by 4K sensor, which again is powered by Sony Starvis 2 IMX678. I would say this is the best in the market as of now. So at least for front, it have got a very decent sensor. And as I said, I wanted to buy that 40 to 45,000 rupees dashcam. That one is the best. Vifio is the brand. But later on, I decided what value actually I am getting out of it. So this one costed me around 19,000, and I would say for this particular price, this is the best, no doubt at all. When we talk about this dashcam, this is two-channel dashcam basically. So the front have 4K and then rear have full HD, which I would say is decent enough. And then because it have got one of the best sensor, which is Sony Starvis 2, the night performance also going to be I would say very awesome. Now let's quickly unbox it and let's also see what is written in this box, so we can clearly see this 4K HDR. And as I was mentioning, it also have got this Sony Starvis 2 sensor, and then it have got all kind of features, I would say, that the Dashcam needs to have in 2025. It also have got ADAS, which obviously not going to apply brake for you, but it's gonna provide you a basic, I would say, guidance. For example, if you are changing the lane, then it will beep or it will make you aware that you are changing lane. So let's quickly unbox it. And then they probably are offering a CPL filter that I will check later on. But first of all, let me actually unbox this whole thing. There we go. I hope it is visible. Now let me also open this. So this side, what we have, this probably is the tool that will help us to fix wire inside. I'm gonna keep it aside. Then we also have got this wire. Let me actually show you guys like this, okay? So this is the wire that we are getting. This is type A to type C wire, and probably will be used to power this dashcam. Then there is another wire which probably will go from front to back for back camera. Then what else we have? So here we have got this booklet, 70mai, and then these two transparent adhesive to install the dashcam, which you're gonna see at later part. Then here comes the thing, and let me show you how it did. So this is our main unit, and this one is the back camera. So let me take out the main unit, and it is really chunky, I would say. The size is really big. And this is our front camera that is adjustable. I mean, we can rotate it. As you can see here, I'm rotating it up and down. The quality also looked decent, I would say. I'm not gonna say that this is the best I have seen, but yeah, it's okay for the price that we have paid. Now, what else inside the box? So this is the back camera. Now, apart from that, I am also expecting a memory card. Okay, this is our charger that goes in 12-volt socket. So that's all I guess we have. And I was also expecting a memory card. Let me actually have a look if they have it or not. And seems like there is no memory card. So let me also order a memory card and then I will get back. Okay, so this is next day and finally I bought this memory card. And what makes this memory card so special? Not its read-write speed, but this particular one is specific for continuous recording, and this is what we need for dashcam, even for home HDR. I mean, we require surveillance disk that can sustain the continuous writing load. Also, I would say read and write speed is important, but in this particular case, this one only have read speed of 100 Mbps and write speed of 40 Mbps, and this is not megabit but megabyte. Okay, so megabyte is 8 times higher than bit, which makes this card good enough even to write dual or triple 4K stream. And in this particular case with 70mai A810, we only have one 4K and another one full HD, and that too also in high compression mode, which means that this card can easily sustain those high limit. And if you want to buy this particular card, I'm gonna put the buying link in the description of this video, as this card is tested for continual recording for up to 20,000 hours. So if you drive your car, let's say 2 hours a day, which results to approx 720 hours a year, and then you can multiply it by 10, that eventually result around 7,500 hours in 10 years. and you add 3,500 to it, that would be hours of recording in 15 years. And in India, 15 years is the life of vehicle, and if this card can sustain that much amount of time, then I would say 20,000 plus is good enough. However, there is another card that can go up to 1,20,000. I would say that particular card would be great if you have applied it in your commercial vehicle that run like all day long. So for those user, I would say they can go with a 120,000 hours of recording limit one. But for non-commercial users, I would say this card is more than enough. Now let me take you to the installation part. Finally, time now came to install this Dashcam to my car, and let's start the process. Okay, so I'm thinking of installing it here. A lot of folks actually install toward this side, but just to improve accessibility, I would like to install it here. And then what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I'm gonna do all this installation by myself, and instead of utilizing this 12-volt socket, since I bought this adapter which converts this type A to type C, I'm going to utilize my back seat. Let me quickly show you. Okay, so here are unutilized ports and I'm thinking of utilizing them. Here is my air purifier. I'm gonna also make video why I selected this particular one and why one should get air purifier if somebody is living in Delhi. But for the time being, let's start the process. Okay, so I think I should start with routing first, and then here is the cable for the backside. So I would like to install this one first, or probably this power cable. So let's get started. One thing we need to keep in mind that we are keeping enough length here. Okay, so this is the wire and I already have taken the measurement that how much I need to leave, and this is the tool that comes with this Dashcam kit. And now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna push my wire with the help of this inside like this. Now you see I have inserted the whole wire inside. So here you can see I have taken out the whole A pillar, which is pretty easy, I would say. Now I think this wire will go from here to here, and then I also require to take out this section, and this section is also pretty easy. All you need to do is you need to remove this, and now you will see how easy it is actually to take this out. And here are the hinges. That's how we can take this out. Now what I will do is I will take this wire, or I will keep it like this for the time being, and this wire now needs to go inside here. So I see the placement from where this wire can come. Now I will take that wire. This wire will go from here to inside, and probably I think I should take this from behind. You can also take this out if required. So let's take this out as well. Like this. And now here I can see my older connections as well that I did for 360 cam. Now all I need is to take this wire from the back side. Okay, so now I'm going to again fit this back. And there we go. So we perfectly fit this thing back, and we also have routed the wire. So all now I need to do, place back, and I again fit this thing back, and this is the wire that is barely visible now here, and it can actually go inside this. Now I'm gonna plug this part back to my car, which is again pretty easy. I need to locate these locators on my car. So here is the one, these are the locators. Now I will just simply place them and then bam. This goes inside, and it is really that easy, guys. Now I think the power cable routing is done. Let's route this one. Again, I would say the steps going to be same till this A pillar, and then we will see how we're going to route this wire till the end. So this car is not too large, I would say, slightly bigger than 4 meter. So I have seen this wire is good enough for sedans, so I believe the length would be sufficient enough. Okay, so again, I'm gonna keep a little bit here. Okay, so now here you can see the wiring is completed. It routed through this way, and then the power cable went to this A pillar, and then from here I took it to the back, and the back camera wire went through here through this B pillar and then went in the end. And now here you can see that is there in the back. Also, let me show you from the back side. And here we have got this back camera, which I guess looks good. Due to HDR, probably it is not visible properly, but let me also show you the footage, how the footage from front and back look like, and one can easily adjust it by rotating this part. So that's all, guys, from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any kind of doubt regarding installation, regarding quality of this dashcam, please do let me know and comment down below. I will definitely try to answer your question as soon as possible. Till then, you take care and drive safe.